We're a Swedish brand that makes bags. And when you're a Swedish brand that makes bags, you carry Scandinavian values. To carry Scandinavian values means balancing beauty with purpose and doing things differently. Doing things differently led us here, to a small family-run factory in Montesilvano, Italy. In this small family-run factory in Montesilvano, Italy, our Scandinavian values come to life through craftsmanship that has been perfected over generations. And when craftsmanship has been perfected over generations, every stitch is a work of art. And the quality speaks for itself. Quality shaped by timeless design and thoughtful function. We like to call it Scandinavian minimalism. It makes each bag fit effortlessly into the modern wardrobe. And when it fits effortlessly into the modern wardrobe, it gets carried, loved, and passed on through seasons and generations.